Folks, let's talk about powering your portfolio with battery stocks. Now, over the last few months, the focus has been on COVID-19 and healthcare stocks, but there's other industries on the horizon that are seeing a strong pickup in demand. Some are rather obvious, like makers of canned foods or supermarkets, but other industries are starting to heat up as well. Other less obvious industries are seeing strong demand and pickup in accumulation. You just have to know where to look. There's no other way of saying it. Demand for tech is increasing tremendously. Right now, more people are working from home than ever before. And if they are not working from home, they're staying at home watching TVs, playing video games, listening to music, and many use laptop computers. These computers require lithium batteries to function. What about smartphones and other digital devices like wireless game controllers that need portable power? So portable digital sales are increasing with more people staying at home, and that means more battery consumption, pure and simple. But portable electronics is only the beginning or the first stage for increased demand for lithium. What about electronic vehicles? We all know consumer demand has been rising and gas-powered vehicles demand is declining at alarming rates. This is why right now I'm looking at a few stocks that focus on lithium batteries, especially with the massive supply of traditional energy increasing monthly and technology advancing at a rate we could only dream of a decade ago. This trend will only continue, and over the next decade, lithium may become a hot commodity that continues to see increased demand, especially once electronic vehicles go mainstream over the next few years. Now, the first stock on my list is Albemarle. Let me pronounce it the right way for you. Albemarle. It's a hard stock to pronounce, but ticker symbol is easy, ALB. It's a lithium mining and processing stock. And with the turmoil seen in crude oil, this stock offers a geopolitical insulation from the volatility and foreseeability plaguing the oil industry right now. Technically, the stock has outperformed the overall market since February, trading strongly above the 200-day moving average. The short-term price target, according to several analysts, is $95 per share, which is substantially higher than the current trading price of $80 per share. The next stock on my list is Murata Manufacturing. Now, most people in the US are not familiar with this brand, but everyone knows Sony, which sold their battery business to Murata. The company is looking to invest over $450 million to increase overseas production at this time. While Sony batteries will always sell, the company wants to increase production into electronic vehicles and dominate the automotive industry. Additionally, the company offers energy storage solutions for residential and commercial properties, and this segment is growing fast. Technically, the stock did drop below the 200-day line during the February crash, but quickly bounced back and is now trading less than 10% away from all-time highs. The company is very solid, dating back all the way to World War II, and has a clear plan to dominate not only the consumer lithium business, but recognizes the shift or trend to electronic vehicles and wants to dominate that part of the industry as well. Keep your eye on Murata. We should see strong upside in the next few quarters, especially if the world continues to work at home and electronic vehicles continue to see increased demand, which is very, very likely. I hope that helps. Folks, how does the thought of locking in virtually automatic deposits every 7 days sound to you? Well, soon you'll be able to access a brand new method to earn weekly paydays from the markets that are worth $3,000 plus. Lance Ippolito is revealing the strategy that allows the little guy to cash in on certain stocks just like the big banks do, with just 2 clicks and 5 minutes a week. You could get thousands deposited into your account every 7 days. Click on the link below to find out how you can join him today.